If you've received a ban from Apple Music and believe it to be unjust, you can appeal the decision. Follow these steps to navigate the appeal process effectively. Step 1. Gather information. Collect all relevant details regarding your ban, including the reason provided by Apple Music, any notifications you receive, and your account information. This will help you present a clear case. Step 2. Review Apple Music guidelines. Familiarize yourself with Apple Music's terms of service and community guidelines. Understanding the rules will help you identify if your ban was a misunderstanding or if you inadvertently violated any policies. Step 3. Contact Apple Support. Reach out to Apple Support through their official website or app. Use the support options available to explain your situation and express your desire to appeal the ban. Be polite and concise in your communication. Step 4. Submit an appeal. If directed, submit a formal appeal through the appropriate channels. This may involve filling out a form or sending an email. Clearly state your case, provide any evidence that supports your claim, and request a review of the ban. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your appeal, monitor your email for a response from Apple Music. If you don't hear back within a reasonable time frame, consider following up to check on the status of your appeal. By following these steps, you can effectively navigate the appeal process for your Apple Music ban. Good luck.